Throughout our 200-year history, members of our community have led the way and made landmark contributions during this journey toward equality. Our bicentennial would be much less historic without their efforts and commitment. Dr. King realized that the preservation of a nation is based on how willing and often its citizens play their instruments in harmony. Together, we are creating the sounds of change that will truly and fully let freedom ring.
Francis Scott Key joined a lyrical conversation called the broadside ballad tradition. This common 18th and 19th century social practice invited amateur poets to write new lyrics to well-known melodies. By far the most riveting lyric among all I found to date is one titled, "Oh Say, Do You Hear?" A song that invokes the horrors of slavery in a nation that claims to be free.
I remember seeing those women and those images on screen and just being so irritated by the representation and knowing that this was being seen eventually worldwide and not having alternative images of Black women on television. So I was like, this is the only image that people are seeing of Black women.
About the United States, his own country, he said it's the greatest purveyor of violence on earth. I cannot believe in 2017 we are still talking about the Ku Klux Klan today. How is it possible?